Alright, we're here at 100 North Queens Center here in Lancaster. We had this very interesting elevator to ride. This was originally a Dover elevator, I believe, that was modernized by Hadfield with Innovation Universal. Look at the shape of this cab. This is a very interesting shaped cab. It's got a side door as well. Anyways, let's take it down to the basement. Here are the basement. Yeah, you can definitely tell there's originally a Dover, judging by that floor braille. 1 to 3, we'll listen to the motor. Here we go up. Around 3. We're not going to ring the bell. Alright, let's go back down to the basement. We'll get a cab view. Again, this is a very interesting shaped elevator. It's got a side door there, and a door right there. These are your Innovation Universal buttons. Capacity is 3,500 pounds. And there's your floor to care. See, this is Dover modernized by Hadfield. This is elevator number 2. And here we're back in the basement. And now we'll end with the street level. Watch the one go out, listen to the motor again. And here are 1. That's where the old indicator used to be, right there. It's right on. Very interesting elevator. Do like that motor though. Anyways, there it goes, and that will be it.